Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to today's episode of Sahasrayaga of Sahasrayoga, an online lecture series on Sahasrayogam by Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. Myself, Dr. Pallavi Saurabh, Assistant Professor in the Department of Rasashastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Hubballi. In today's episode, let us discuss about the yoga named Aragvada Amrutadi Kashaya, which is mentioned in Sahasrayoga Kashaya Prakarana. Aragvada Amrita Pathya Khadirai Saditam Jalam Tvagvikaramla Pittartaihi Peyam Devair Yathamrutam. The ingredients are Aragvada Phalamajja 1 part, Guduchi 1 part, Khadirasara 1 part and Haritaki 1 part. Jala 16 parts for the preparation of Kashaya. Method of preparation. Kashaya can be prepared as per the classical method. Indications. According to Falashruti, Aragvada Amrutadi Kashaya can be prescribed in Tvagvikara and Amlapitta. Dose 1 to 2 pala with Sukhoshna Jala. Mode of action of Aragvada Amrutadi Kashaya. Before knowing the mode of action, let us discuss some properties of the ingredients. That is Aragvada. Aragvada is having Madhura Tiktarasa, Guru Snigdha Guna, Shita Virya, Madhura Vipaka and it is having Sramsana property. It is Tridoshahara, mainly Kapha Pittahara. It shows its action on Prameha, Kushta, Vibandha, Amavata, Jvara. It is having properties like antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic. Next, Amrita or Guduchi. Guduchi is having Kashaya Tiktarasa Pradhanyata, Lagu Snigdha Guna, Ushnavirya, Madhura Vipaka and it is having Tridoshahara property. It shows its action as Deepana, Pachana, Amahara, Jvarahara. It can be prescribed in Amavata, Vatarakta, Staulya, Prameha, Amlapitta and it is a best Rasayana. Next, Haritaki. Haritaki is having Pancharasa, mainly Tikta Kashaya Rasa Pradhanyata. It is Ushnavirya, Madhura Vipaka, it is Tridosha Shamaka, mainly Kapha Pittahara. It is the best Rasayana and it is a Anulomaka Dravya. Last ingredient is Khadira. It is having Tikta Kashaya Rasa Pradhanyata, Lagu Ruksha Guna, Shita Virya, Katu Vipaka and Kapha Pitta Shamaka. It is having Kushtagna and Tvacha property. Now let us know how Aragvada Amrutadi Kashaya acts on Tvagata Rogas. All the drugs of Aragvada Amrutadi Kashaya are having Kushtagna, Tvacha and Tridosha Shamaka property. Guduchi and Haritaki are having Rasayana property which is beneficial to break down the Samprapti in Tvagata Rogas. Aragvada and Haritaki are having Sramsana and Anulomana property respectively which helps in Dosha Nirharana from the body. Tikta Kashaya Rasa Pradhanyata and Lagu Ruksha Guna of the yoga helps in reducing the skin discharges in Tvagata Rogas. Haritaki, Guduchi and Khadira are having Varna property which corrects the skin discolorations in Tvagata Rogas. According to researchers, Ashwagandha, Haritaki, Khadira, Guduchi are having antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory and antifungal property, so helpful in various skin ailments. Next indication is Amlapitta. Most of the drugs in this formulation are having Tiktarasa, Laghu Ruksha Guna, Ushnavirya and Madhura Vipaka. These properties give Tridosha Shamaka effect and corrects the vitiated Pitta in Amlapitta. In Amlapitta, due to various Ahitakara Nidanas, Pachaka Pitta fails to digest the food. Here, Agni becomes Manda and Pachaka Pitta attains Vidagdhavastha or Samavastha. So, the symptoms like Aruchi, Avipaka develops. Increased Dravata of Vidagdha Pitta cause Tikta Amla Udgara and Tikshnata of Vidagdha Pitta cause Hritkanta Daha. Anulomana and Sramsana effect of Haritaki and Aragvada are beneficial in relieving तिक्त amla udgara in urdhvaga amla pitta. Madhura vipaka tiktarasa of guduchi helps in relieving hritkanta daha, and also shita virita of aragvada and khadira helps in relieving hritkanta daha. Haritaki and guduchi are having deepana pachana and amanirharana property. It increases the digestive fire and are helpful in treating amlapitta. Now let us move on to the other indications other than amlapitta and tvagvikaras. Other than these two indications, it can also be prescribed in vibandha, prameha and staulya rogas. Aragvada and haritaki are having stramsana and anulomana properties. So this formulation can be prescribed in vibandha conditions. All the ingredients of Aragvada Amritadi Kashaya are having Pramehahara property, so it can also be prescribed in Prameha rogas. Aragvada, Amrita, Haritaki and Khadira are also having Staulyahara property, so it can also be prescribed in obesity and hyperlipidemic conditions. Thank you.